My hands are up here. I'm gonna Hoover it.
Okay.
But it might be hard to Hoover from this side.
That's not good, Mark! The side it's supposed to be would be very easy to suction onto!
I'm a Hoover. My hands are up and I'm...
Mark? Oh, fucking no, he's just lying. See, this is all a ruse.
Very hard to Hoover.
This is manufactured. The problem he's having is that the side of the lens cap that is up is the tail side, and it's hard to suck on because it's got a bunch of plastic shit sticking out of it.
I can't Hoover it. There's
What
too
side
many
is
holes.
up, Mark?
Its tails is up.
Oh, I can't believe it. Fascinating!
I've literally done nothing. I can't Hoover it.
It still hurts to laugh.